Twitter stock is back. It's up about 22%. And in today's video, we are going to be looking at what on earth is going on with it and answering that main question of should you buy Twitter stock. So I hope you guys enjoy it. If you guys get anything in value out of this video, hit that like button, subscribe. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments. And if you want to learn more about investing, money management, trading, we do have an awesome course that offers a whole bunch of fantastic lectures, quizzes, chat room, a whole bunch of good stuff. I'll put that down in the description so you guys can check it out. So what on earth is going on with Twitter? But before we jump into what's going on right now, we have to understand what happened in the past. So looking back, you'll notice that this stock went from about $39 all the way up to about $53 a share. This is when Elon Musk came out and said, hey, I want to buy Twitter, right? He came out and said he wanted to buy it and turn it into a free speech platform. That was his overall mission behind it. He wanted to buy the company, take it private, and then re-announce an IPO for a higher valuation, pretty much. And that's kind of what his mindset going into it was. He came out and said he's going to buy it. There was a lot of people saying he's going to do it. A lot of people saying he's not going to do it. But overall, he immediately pretty much in a couple of months said he's not going to do it. And the plan kind of fell through. The stock immediately sold off back from, 46 all the way back down to levels at $32 where it was trading before all these announcements. And then as of today, Elon Musk comes out and says, hey, actually, I want to buy Twitter. I want to buy it for, for each share, I want to pretty much pay $54.20, giving an evaluation of about $44 billion. And for somebody like Elon Musk, that's a lot of money. And even for him, that's a lot of money for a guy that's worth, a couple $100 billion. $44 billion is a lot. So his overall mission, he's going to have to, sell some of his own Tesla stock in order to afford something like this. So that was his mission. As of today, looking at the 10-minute chart, the stock immediately caught fire. It popped up to, this $48 level, and it got halted, right, by the exchange. And the reason why they halt stocks is pretty much to help the retail traders. The mindset behind it is if you're going head into a stock that's very risky, there's a chance you could lose a lot of money. So the exchange kind of goes, okay, we're going to slow the stock down a little bit and see what happened. And the stock immediately got halted, and then it continued to pop up to $52.20. Okay. That's what's going on with Twitter, right? Elon Musk is planning on buying it. And we can look at this article here by CNBC. Very, very similar situation. Tesla CEO Elon Musk changed course and agreed to buy Twitter for the agreed upon price, according to a filing today, right? And it's $54.20. Okay, so answering that question, should you buy Twitter? I definitely think for me, Twitter, I've continued to hold, right? I'm holding Twitter. I bought in, a while back, and I'm just continuing to hold Twitter. I bought in at these $32 levels right down in here. And the reason why is because it just had natural support there. So I bought in for a swing trade, and then the whole announcement of Elon, and I figured I would just hold through it and see what happens. Okay, should you buy it at these levels? So looking at something called the RSI, which is the relative strength index, it determines if the stock's overvalued, undervalued, the overall strength of the stock. So pretty much anytime it's pretty much above a 70, that's considered a little overvalued. And anytime we've seen that in the past, it gets sell off pretty much shortly after, right? Looking back at previous history, the last time it was at this level was right here at this $53 mark. And you'll notice within a couple of days, the stock sold off back down to $45. Okay, so that's one of the indicators that tells me that this stock is not going to stay at this $52 range. And on top of that, if Elon's buying this for $54.20, the max amount you can get out of the stock is going to be $54.20. So right in here, right? Right in there, right in that range. So pretty much you buy into the stock right now. The max you can get is probably 1 to 2%. The risk for this, if he comes out and goes, actually, I don't want to buy it, the stock's immediately going to tank down here to $32. I definitely think higher risk, higher risk, yet a lower reward, because the reward is only, a 2% yield. Now, do I think this is going to happen? Do I think that this acquisition is going to go through? Probably. Right now, there's a huge growth in this free speech sector with different social media sites, right? We have the social media site called Truth, also known as DWAC. We have Rumble, ticker symbol RUM, which believes in free speech. There's a lot of sites coming out. So Elon Musk most likely noticed that and wanted to get in on a little bit of that action. Okay, I think the deal is going to happen, and I definitely think he's going to take this company private. So either way, if you have shares, you're most likely going to get bought out of them. And you'll probably still make a little bit of some money. But for me, I'm just going to continue to hold the shares that I have. A good strategy that I would recommend if you're looking to invest would be to do dollar cost averaging. Invest on a weekly basis into this stock. Keep it under 2% of your portfolio. So for every $100 you have invested into other stocks, other ETFs or investments, put $2, put $1 into this. Keep it under 2%. The reason why is because if this stock pops up and for some odd reason it goes to $58, $60 a share, you have some shares to make money. If he doesn't take it private, you have some shares because the stock is going to continue to go up. Okay, just because of the name of Elon Musk, right? People want that next Tesla. Okay. On top of that, if this thing sells off, you're only out 1% to 2%. So it's almost like a win-win situation, and keeping it under, that 1-2%, it just helps you, have some, stability in your account where your portfolio is not going to fluctuate as much. That's what I'm doing, and that's what I'm going to plan on doing, is just hold the positions I have, possibly dollar cost average it if I see a good opportunity, and go from there, guys. So that's what's going on, and answering that question of should you buy this stock. Higher risk, higher reward. It's going to be fun to see what happens. Does have some support down here, some resistance up here, and go from there, guys. So we'll see you guys later. Remember to stay happy, guys, stay positive, and stay safe out there. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Take care.